Rain Access Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Rain Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. On this episode of Rain Access Solutions, I'm going to show you a double eyeglass magnifying loupe that I bought from Lazada. I bought it for around 526 pesos 2 years ago. This magnifying glass is similar to a dentist's eye loupe. It has two LED lights which are powered by three AAA batteries. The compartment of this battery is located on its right arm, where it's easily accessible by your right hand. It also has a rubber padding that protects your forehead from getting scratched. Each of the eye loupes can be individually swiveled at 45 degrees angle. And the gaps between the eye loupes can also be adjusted. Each of the LED lights has its own switch. You can either have both of the LED lights on, or you can switch on one LED light at a time. The LED lights are so bright that you may not want to point them directly at the item that you're looking at. Here's how you replace the batteries. The wire that is connecting the batteries to the LED lights is visible. Here's an actual demonstration of its depth of field. If you extend your hands right in front of you, you will not be able to see them. It's all blurry. If you move your fingers closer to the eye loupes, then you will be able to see them. Here's an actual demonstration where I'm going to show you the working distance between the eye loupes and the item that you're working on. And we're going to begin with the ×10 lens. The 10x lens will give us the largest working space, which is around 5.5 cm of working distance. With that space, it's enough for you to work on your watch with your tools. The 10x lens will give you a nice depth of field and a wide view and a good space to work on the watch that you're repairing. It's just too bad that this did not come with a 3x or 5x lens, which could have been a better option, and also to give you a nice and comfortable view. Now let's go with the 15x lens. Please note that as the number of the lens gets bigger, your working distance will get shorter. It means it will be difficult to use tools between the eye loupe and the item that you're working on. But most of the watch repairmen that I know of will look at the item from the side and not from the top. This way, they will have more freedom to work on the item by bringing the tools from the top. Here's the 20x lens. We're gonna try and see what will happen to our working distance if we use this. If we look at the working distance, it has narrowed down to 2 cm. As you can see, I am now having a hard time bringing the tools at the top of the watch. But if I bring myself a little bit downwards and observe the watch from the side, then I might have a bigger space and working distance at the top. Now let's try the 25x lens. At 1 centimeter working distance, it is very visible that I'm having a hard time working on the watch. Even if I try and look from the sides, it will still be very difficult. I think that the 25x is purely for observing or inspecting the watches only. My thoughts about this product is that there is no harm in buying it. Personally, I like the convenience that it offers because I don't have to hold the eye loupe next to my eye. And I love that you can change the lens anytime. Alright guys, if you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day everyone.